Leave it to me to get creative with table coverings again. This time I tried to use a shower curtain, but it was not the right dimensions for my table. So I tried it out on my coffee table on my back porch. Yeah, way too big. Welcome to Vlogtober Squad's Home Decor Luxe Club's season finale, hosted by Lady Allie of Glam Elegant Living. Thank you, Allie. You always put together great collaborations. Be sure to check out the playlist and the links to the host and co-host in the description below. So right in the middle of decorating, I had to break into a Christmas-themed goodie bag from Rolling Hills Ministry, my favorite thrift store. I usually like to save those for my live stream on Thursday nights when I show off my thrifted haul, but there was something in there I needed. I was looking in this bag full of sparkly stuff and glitter. Yes, it got everywhere. For something to do on my table or on my buffet that was going to give my decor a little bit more bling, because I am definitely trying to bling it up this time. Our goal this week was to create a bling on the fall Thanksgiving tablescape, any colors, theme, style, or freestyle. And you know what happens when I freestyle. You choose decor related. I am so lucky to be participating with these ladies in this collaboration. They are amazing. Allie, thank you so much for letting me be a part of this. I really love your home. It's gorgeous with this white and crystal and black and the mirrored table. It is just the most fabulous thing I've ever seen. It would never make it at my house. First of all, it'd probably fall through the floor of my split level house. But I sure enjoyed seeing the work you do with it. And Simone, you are just classy and graceful, and your voice is so sweet, and I love watching your videos. You're just adorable. And your tables and decor is always spot on and beautiful. And Felicia, I can move right into your home. You have all my favorite colors, and I just love the creative things that you come up with. I get a lot of good ideas from you. Penny, I am always happy to be in your group because I love what you do as well. And I like to follow the other stuff that you do. I love your live streams. And you have so many good ideas for helping our channels grow. So thank you for your lovely decor and your good advice. And Grace, oh, you're amazing. Your DIY projects are fantastic, and I do love watching them, and I love how you decorate with them. You always do a beautiful job. Courtney, oh my gosh, you have definitely brought an adventure to our group. You are so much fun. I love your enthusiasm, and you do a wonderful job with your decor. I really enjoy watching your videos, and I'm always excited to be in a group with you so I can make sure I get to see your videos. So thank you, ladies, for letting me be a part of this group. And I'm looking forward to our next collaboration that I'm going to be participating in with some of you. And that is the Queens of Christmas. So be sure you check that out in the description below. And I want to give a shout out to Melissa. I have been in a lot of collabs with you, and I always enjoy watching your videos. And I know sometimes it gets hard when everybody gets so busy. That's what's fun about being in collabs. You can really support each other. So I hope you can come back and join us very soon. I hope you've been enjoying watching the video so far of me opening all this crazy stuff in a goodie bag. Yeah, that goodie bag was like $3.75, and I scored big. So I don't know what I'm going to do with all this stuff, but I'll find something. So what I needed right now was definitely the gold. And I had all these like plastic pieces, but some are a little bit squished. And you can see I got to figure out a way to kind of fluff them back up. So we'll call this my little DIY project because I'm going to be using these to make like a little centerpiece. So what I decided to do was take my hair dryer and heat up the plastic. And it really worked. You can see it really fluffed it up. And I'm having to go in and kind of adjust a few things to kind of straighten it back out. But on my second one, I just took the hair dryer and held it on there, and it sprung back into shape. Can you believe it? Look at that thing. Poof. One of the things I've been looking for as I've been out shopping was to find more metallics to add to my decor, and I already had these terracotta plates that have a gold leaf on them, and I bought this little tin that is from, I think it's like Harry and David or somebody that, you know, fruit would come in. The copper in it and the golds and all that. I incorporated my gold blingy stuff that I just got out of my goodie bag along with some pumpkins that I already had. I also brought out a more reflective thing so that it would really sparkle over here. But I want to tell you what happens during the course of this video. Things start to change. I do start to edit a little bit, so stick around to the end so you can see how it actually turned out when it was all done. So I found another goodie bag, but I had opened already on my live stream. That little reindeer, yeah, glitter and all. So I thought he'd be cute on this table. I put in another couple of place settings just in case company shows up. And I also included a wine bottle that we could put white wine in, a water bottle, which is a big deal for us these days. I love having water bottles at my table when there's a group of people because we can sit and visit and then have some extra water. No one has to get up. And the smaller bottle is used to decant red wine. I did figure out what to do with these glittery pieces that I found at Rolling Hills in another goodie bag. I found 2 pumpkins and a turkey. And I was going to use them outside, but it's been kind of bad weather lately. So I designed this little tablescape for this very special tablecloth. Like I said at the beginning, it is a shower curtain. And I love the colors though, and I just thought fall and metallic and bling, so I just had to use it. And it fit my round table really well. It's kind of hanging a little bit long on the corners. As long as somebody, goes by and snags it, I think we'll be fine. But I think it worked together really well. I found that garland at Hobby Lobby, but I didn't buy it because I found mine at Rolling Hills. I also found those adorable little lights in a goodie bag. I know, it's crazy. And I didn't even have to change out the batteries. It had good batteries in it. Speaking of good batteries, you see that little battery operated candle in that vase? That came in a box of 12, and they all had batteries in them that had never been used. I got to pull the little tabs out and everything, just like I bought it brand new. So I'm using my favorite purple plates. I just love them because they look all these different colors depending on what you put with them. They can look burgundy, they can look purple, they can look brown. So I think they went great with this table, and I used my purple glasses as well, so that kind of went with it. And I also put out some gold glasses for water. It's something so different than I would normally do, and that's what makes me happy because I do feel like I'm using a lot of what I'm learning, but I'm also being very creative and definitely thinking outside the box. All right, so I like this point in the video when I let you just watch the video and listen to good music, but I do want to say this. I took pictures during different times of the day. So I kind of started this in the morning, and then by the evening and nighttime, the lighting kept changing. And of course, I have lights on and lights off. I want you to watch as this tablescape evolves. My table is still set this way, and we've been using it for about a week, and so here's tonight's dinner. If we're going to set a table, it better be to enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification button because sometimes I make pretty good videos. Bye!